prenuptial agreement is a document that sets out a financial agreement that parties reach to deal with their assets in the event of a future divorce or dissolution of a civil partnership. The reasons for getting a prenup will vary in every case. Commonly, they can be used to protect pre-acquired wealth, for example from a previous marriage, if a party wants to leave assets to their children from that previous relationship. They can also be used where family wealth is involved, for example if a couple has been gifted property or shares in a family company by one spouse's parents. You get a prenup by negotiating it with your spouse-to-be before a wedding. That can be done directly through direct discussions or commonly through solicitors with disclosure of documentary evidence and discussion about what the correct provision might be. Prenups aren't legally binding because the court has a discretion to overturn them. However, if a prenup has been done successfully and complied with the correct formalities, they'll be heavily persuasive, and most prenups, when those formalities are complied with, will be followed by the court. Prenups can always be changed throughout the marriage, and in fact many prenups have a review clause inbuilt in that they might be reviewed after a certain period of time or after big life events such as the birth of a child. A family lawyer can provide advice for you on prenups and whether they are right for you and your spouse in your particular circumstances. Independent legal advice is crucial before entering into a prenup, and the court has held that this will not be followed unless parties have had independent legal advice. A family lawyer can advise on disclosure and draft the terms of the agreement to ensure that it protects you and your spouse and works for your marriage.